Too bad. That's how you can get famous. That's perfect.
Why are you still recording? Okay. Gotta lube the throat.
Nice and moist.
Yeah. Moist AF. Last night I crashed into your car. You knocked the breath right out of me. And I forgot about my breathing. So you stepped out into the street. You called me a dick, but you could call me anything. Cause I saw that little smile you tried to hide behind your cheeks. And even though my insurance is now too high to pay, I got your number and I'm calling you on Friday. I can't help but think that after all the things that I've done wrong, maybe I did something right. I did something right. I did something right. I did something right. Last night you told me that you're leaving after you broke my favorite lamp. Said you hate all of my friends and you hate me too. You think I'm cheap? You're probably right, I'm kinda cheap. But I just can't afford expensive girls like you. And even though you think the last few months were such a waste of time, I look at old pictures and remember you were once mine. Can't help but think that after all the things that I've done wrong, maybe I did something right. I did something right. I did something right. I did something right. Did something right. Told me that you're pregnant. My throat collapsed, I couldn't breathe. Said there's a little man inside you, looks a little bit like me. Should've gone to college, got some type of degree. So now I got a second job, I work like 60 hours a week. And even though you think I'll never do is fight, I could feel him kicking in the stomach last night. Can't help but think that after all the things that I've done wrong, maybe I did something right.
Good job.